This is Jade.
We are from Sinopol's Hose Factory. We are professional manufacturer for different hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and the PVC hoses, and the fittings, couplings, and so on.
Yeah, we are from Singapore's House Factory, and our factory was established in 2001. It's more than 25 years right now, and we have different kinds of houses, including hydraulic houses, industry houses, automatic houses, PVC houses, and we also have different kinds of fittings.
Hello, welcome to our line room.
Yeah, welcome to our live room. This is Jade.
This is Kisia, and if there are any items you are interested in, please leave a message to us.
Yeah, we Singapore was a house manufacturer, and we produce hydraulic houses, industry houses, PVC houses, and we also have different kinds of fittings, adapters. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.
Yes, Sinopos was established in 2001 and we have experience for more than 25 years. Please feel free to contact us.
Yeah, we will show you our products one by one. Firstly, we will show you the hydraulic hoses. Uh, our
Yes, we will introduce the hydraulic hoses firstly.
Yeah, and the hydraulic hoses with different standards, including 1SN, 2SN, R1, R2, 4SP, 4SH, R12, R15, and R13. Firstly, we will choose one sample. This one is the 1SN. We will show you this product firstly. We can see this house. We can check this surface is the wrapped surface, and also we can see from this cutting surface is one steel wheel braided, and we can see from this ley line. This blue color with the Sinpost brand name and the Sinpost logo. Yeah, this also shows is EN8531SN. And for this house in my hand, the DN is 8 millimeter. In inch is equals to 5/16 inch. The size of this inner tube, inner diameter. Also, in this house, it also shows is SAE 100 R180. Yeah, and the working pressure of this house is 21.5 max pascal. It equals 3,120 psi. And in the end, we can see this is match number is simple match certificate number. We can search it online. Then you can see it's simple. If you have your own logo, we can customize your logo, and you can send us your logo, and our team will make a design for you. So if you are interested in this house, feel free to contact us.
Yes, this is R1.
Yeah.
And next one is
Yeah, and we also have this house. We can see from this surface is two steel wheel braided. Yeah, And also this one is also a wrapped surface. Yeah, we can check this surface. Yeah, and also in this ley line is the red color is the SINPO's logo and brand name. And if you have your logo, we can also customize your brand for you. You can sell it with your own brand, and you can also sell with our brand. Both is okay. And in this ley line, it also shows is EN8532SM. Yeah, we can check it. And also this one, the DN is 12.5 millimeter. Yeah, we can check this. This size is 12.5 millimeter, and it equals to 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. And it also meets the SAE 1002RT standard. Also, it shows the working pressure is 27.6 max pascal. It equals to 4,000 psi. If you want to add the bursting pressure in this ley line, we can also customize it for you. And in the end is the match number, our SINPO's match certificate number. And if you want a smooth surface, we can also make smooth surface for you. Yeah, like this one is a smooth surface. Yeah, this one is wrapped surface.
Yes, both surface we can make them for you.
Yeah, and we can also make the R2 house assembly.
Yes.
So if you are interested in these hydraulic hoses, you can contact us.
Yes, for R1 and R2, they are low pressure in the hydraulic hoses. So if you need any of them, please feel free to contact us.
Yes. Yeah. So this is the R1 and the R2. Yeah. Yeah, and also, let us show you another types of hydraulic hoses. Yeah, we can check this one. We can see the surface is different with the R1 and R2. Yeah, it's very clearly. This is four.
This is 4 layers steel wire spiral hoses.
Yeah, this is the 4 steel wire spiral structure. Yeah, we can check it from this surface.
Yes.
And also this one is the wrapped surface. Yeah, we can also make the smooth surface, like this one. This one is smooth surface. This one is wrapped surface. Yes. And this one is EN856 4SP. Yeah, we can check from this ley line. It shows is 4SP. And also in this ley line, this is SINPO's logo with SINPO's brand name. And for this house, the size is 1/4 inch, and in DN is 6 millimeter. And also, it shows the working pressure is 45 megapascal. It equals to 6,525 psi. Also, if you want to add the bursting pressure, we can also print it in this ley line. The bursting pressure is 4 times of working pressure. Yeah, and also this is march certificate number. Yeah, our product is high quality and it meets the march certificate. So if you are interested in the hydraulic hoses, 1SN, 2SN, or 4SH, 4SP, you can contact us. Yeah, we can send you our catalog and also arrange you samples for test.
Yes, for the 4SH, 4SP, and some R9 and R12, and some R15. All of them are 4-layer steel wire spiral hoses. It is used in some high pressure situation. So if you are in need of any this kind of hoses, please feel free to contact us. And if you can't confirm which kind of hose you need, you can send us your situation and send us some parameters. Then we will give you our best suggestion.
Yes, so don't hesitate to contact us.
Yes. And the next one we want to introduce is six layers.
Yeah, this one is R15. Yeah, and it's six layer. Yeah,
Yes.
we can check from this surface. It's very clearly. This one is also a wrapped surface, and we can also make the ley line for you, no matter your logo or your brand name. And we can design the ley line for you. Yeah, including the working pressure, bursting pressure, the EN standard or SAE standard, and also the inch the inner diameter. So feel free to contact us. We can customize it for you. And this one is the 1.5 inch. If you want a smaller size or a bigger size, we can make it for you. Just feel free to contact us.
Yes, for all the hydraulic hoses, we can make both we can make both wrapped surface and smooth surface.
Yeah.
So feel free to contact us and tell us which kind of hoses you're looking for. We will give you our best price and best quotation.
Yes, feel free to contact us.
跟小灰盒的包装了。
Yeah, and so we just showed you the hydraulic hoses, and for our hydraulic hoses, 1SN and 2SN. Yeah, 1SN and 2SN. We produce the sizes from 1 quart to 2 inch. From 1 quart to 2 inch, different sizes. And for small size, 1 quart, 5/16, 3/8, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. These are the small size. For the small size, we produce soft house mandrel. The material of the soft house mandrel is PP material. Yeah, and the module is very soft. Usually we make 100 meters in one package or 50 meters in one package.
Yes, we make this kind of small sizes hydraulic hoses in 100 meters per package or 15 meters per row.
Yes, this is for the smaller size.
Yes.
Yeah, it uses soft hose module, and the hoses are very flexible. Yeah, if one package for one package the length is between 95 to 105 meters. If our customer can accept the meters, the length,
The more or less on the length.
yeah, we can sell it to our customer with a lower price.
Yes, because it is more convenient on the technology, on the equipment technology.
Yes, and for the big size. For the big size, 1.5, 1.25, and 2-inch. These are the big size for the hydraulic hoses. We produce the hose with the hard steel hose module. And the package for one is usually 40 meters or 60 meters. Yeah, and it depends on the customers. We can make it in different lengths.
Yes, for this kind of hard manual, because it is a 4 layers steel wire spiral or 6 layers steel wire spiral, this kind of hose is heavy. It is more heavy, so 40 meters length or 60 meters length is more convenient for our customers delivery and handle them. 讲一下极寒的吧，因为寒来热。
Yeah, and also we have this one. We can check from this one. This is also a smaller size for the hydraulic hoses. This one is EN 8572SC. The DN is 8 millimeter, and it equals to 5/16 inch. The working pressure is 350 bar. It equals to 5,075 psi. This hose is the Arctic hose. The temperature is it can reach minus 55 degrees. So if you are going to use this hose in a very cold condition, you can choose this one, Arctic hoses. And we can also make in different size and different surface.
Yes, for this kind of hoses, most customers are from Russia and some European countries. So their situation is more cold. They like to choose this kind of hoses. It is no problem. And also for some hot area, such as Africa, some country of Africa, they will use the hot resistance hoses. And for this kind of hoses, it is more ozone, ozone resistance.
Yeah, welcome to our live stream.
And if there are any items you are interested in, please leave message to us. We will introduce it.
Yeah. So this one is the Arctic horses.
Yes, this one is for cold situation.
Yeah, so feel free to contact us.
下一个是编织二，你讲我讲，我讲是。The next one we want to show you is R5. For the R5, as you can see, it is a fabric braided outside. For this kind of hose, it is consist of inner rubber and reinforcement, steel wire braided reinforcement. It is one layer. And the outside is fiber braided. These hoses are also for deliver some oil and fuel. As you can see from the ley line, it is our logo, Xenopus. And as you can see, the standard SAE 100 and R5. This size is 58 inch and 16 millimeter. And the working pressure is 10.3 MPa. 1,500 PSI, and then it is our Masha number. The Masha number is from our factory, Sinopos. You can search our Masha number from the website, official website. For this kind of hoses, we also can make some high temperature using. It is this kind. The max temperature for this hose is 155. So if you need any of them, please feel free to contact us.
Yes, feel free to contact us.
下一个是
Yes, so we just introduce the R5 for you. So if you are interested in these products, feel free to contact us.
Yes, and the next one is also a braided hoses. It is R14. It is steel wire braided outside. And the inner tube is PTFE. For the inner tube, we can make both corrugated and a smooth inner side.
Yes.
It is usually deliver some chemical, medium, and oil.
Yeah, so this one is the Teflon hoses, and this one we can check from this inner tube is corrugated, and we can also make the smooth core tube. For the corrugated one, it's more flexible. Yeah, it's more flexible. So and this one is a corrugated inner tube. We can check. Yeah, it's very flexible. And for this house, we produce the house with different thickness.
Yes.
Yeah, it depends on customers' market. So we can customize it for you. Just tell us your requirements. Our factory will help you to make it.
Yes, as you can see from our catalog, we can make a smooth inner tube and a corrugated inner tube. And this one is corrugated.
Yes.
And as you can see from here, you can see from the inner side diameter and the outside diameter. We can make a different thickness according to your using situation. So you can choose any thickness you need.
Yeah, welcome to our live stream.
Welcome, and if there are any items you are interested in, welcome to leave message to us. We will introduce it immediately.
Yes.
Now we are introducing the R14 TTFE hose.
Yeah, so if you are interested in this house, feel free to contact us.
Yes, then we will send you our catalog and you can send us your inquiry list. We will give you our best quotation.
Yes, feel free to contact us.
Yes, for the R14 hoses, we can make a different thickness according to your using, and of course the price will be different. But the thickness is depend on the using situation. Please choose the one you need.
Yeah, so this one is the R14. So we just introduced the hydraulic hoses, including the 1SN, 2SN, 1SC, 2IC, and also 4SP, 4SH, R5, R14s.
Yes, we can make the hydraulic hoses 1 layer braided, 2 layers braided, and 4 layers spiral, and 6 layers spiral. And for this kind of hoses, we also can make it according to different using situation. We make the hoses. We make the hose. We like to provide the good quality hoses to our customers, and we make the hoses from beginning, which is good material.
Yeah.
For every hoses, we use the rubber material designed by our laboratory. As you can see, this test report, it is from our laboratory. As you can see, the first one, it is hardness. We will test both. We will test all the materials such as inner rubber and the medium rubber, middle rubber, and outside rubber. We will test the hardness and the high tensile. The high tensile for both rubber and the steel wire inside. As long as it is qualified, then the laboratory will sign on the test report, and then we can use it. If it is not qualified, then we will not use it. And we will also test the adhesive.
Yeah.
And the vulcanization. This is the vulcanization line. It is different. It is different according within the time. And there are also many tests. You can see this quality control card. There are many tests in the production process. And when the hose is finished, we also have after production, before shipment test. We will measure the inner size and outer sides, and this is proof pressure testing. It is about 2 to 3 times of the working pressure and keep it about 60 seconds. And if there are not any leakage, then we will pack it and loading. And every batch we will make the bursting pressure testing and impulse testing. So every test there are a signature on the test report. As long as all the signature signed, then we can load the hoses. If there are any not signed or not qualified, then our hoses will not leave our workshop.
Yes.
For the quality, besides the testing report for the material, there are also certificate for our hoses for our production. As you can see, this is ISO.
Yeah, ISO certificate.
And this is a certificate from our province. It means high-tech corporation in Hebei. And this is also another certificate from our Hebei province. And this one is mine safety. There are many customers required this certificate when they send us their purchasing order. We have all the certificate you need.
Yeah, so the quality of our products is very high. We have a strict test before we ship the products. We have the test before the production, during the production, and after the production.
Yes, we have our professional QC team, and we also have professional equipment to test the quality.
Yeah, so if you are looking for the hydraulic hoses, feel free to contact us.
Yes, and I believe our quality will be satisfied for you.
Yeah, and also welcome to our factory and to see how we product the products and how we test the quality of our products.
And we will introduce you our production line and how we control the quality, how we produce our products.
Yeah, these are the hydraulic hoses.
Yes, hydraulic hoses for some high pressure situation. And next, we will introduce some not very high, some normal pressure, regular pressure.
Yeah, this one in my hand is another types of hydraulic hoses. Yeah, we can check from this surface. It's different with the 1SN and 2SN.
Yes.
Yeah, we can check from the cutting surface. Is this one, 1SN is the steel wire braided. Yeah, and this R6, it is tensile
Textile.
Is textile braided.
Braided, yes.
Yeah.
And also R3 is textile braided hydraulic hoses.
Yeah, this R6 is one textile braided. Yeah, and we also have the R3. R3 is two textile braided. Yeah.
Yes.
So for this one, this is R6. We can see this ley line is SAE 100 R6. And this size of this inch diameter is 3/8 inch. 3/8 inch. Radius is 10 millimeter. And also, the working pressure of this house is 28 megapascal. It equals to 406 psi. And also, for this R6, 3/8 inch, the bursting pressure is 112 bar. It equals to 1324 psi. Yeah, we can check from this ley line. It can shows the information you want. If you want to customize it, we can design it for you.
Yes, it is no problem to make a customized brand and a customized ley line.
Yeah, and it's very flexible.
Yes, for this kind of hose R6, we can make the size from 3/16 to 1 inch. It is from 4.8 millimeter to 25 millimeter.
Yeah. So if you are looking for this hydraulic hoses, you can contact us.
For these R6 hoses, it not only can deliver some oil and fuel, it can also deliver some water, air. It is also no problem. And for next one, I want to introduce is R3. As we just introduced, the R3 hose is two layers of textile braided hydraulic hoses. For this kind of hoses, the size is also from 3/16 and to 1 inch. The millimeter is from 4.6 to 25. So you can choose any size and any protection you need.
Yeah. So this is the R6.
For this kind of hoses, such as R6, R3, both of them can deliver some oil, fuel, water, and air. It can also be used as some multi-purpose hose, but compared with the industrial hoses, these kind of hydraulic hoses are more pressure. The pressure is more high. It is need to choose this kind of hose by your working pressure to choose the R6, R3, and the industrial hoses.
Yes. So if you use it in a low pressure So maybe you can choose the industry horses.
Yes.
Yeah, so this one is the R6. And yeah, and actually, we will show you our fightings.
So we just show you is low pressure hydraulic hoses, and after the hydraulic hoses, we can make the fittings accordingly.
Yeah, we for hydraulic hoses, we also supply the fittings, the furrows, and also the fittings with different thread, like metric, BSP thread, NPT, GSC, and the female fighting, male fighting, and also thread 45 degree, 90 degree, and also the flange and the ferrules.
Yes. So,
Yeah, we could supply the fightings for the braided horses, and we can also supply the horses for the spiral horses, and also same for the ferrules. So you can contact us if you are also looking for the fightings and the
Yes.
furrows. Yeah.
You can tell us which thread you need and which size of the hoses you will use. Then we will confirm which type it is and provide you accordingly.
Yeah, and also for the hydraulic hoses, we could supply the separate fightings and furrows. Yeah.
And one piece.
Yeah, and also supply one piece fightings. And so this one in my hand is GSC female fighting. Yeah, this one. And this fighting is produced with the carbon steel with a white zinc, completely with different sizes from 1/4 to 2 inch. This small one is 1/4 inch. So this is the metric. See, so this one is the GSC fighting. Yeah, and
so for these GIC fittings, we just introduced, it is GIC thread, and we can make the male and female. As you can see from our catalog, the first one is a GIC male fitting. You can see the number is 16711. For this kind, it is JIC. As you can see here, it is JIC male fitting, and the seal is 84 degree. Yes, and the standard is J514. After the JIC male fitting, we also can make the female, as you can see from this one. Yeah, it is same. No, not same. This is JIC male fitting. We can make all the sizes, as long as you tell us which size of the thread you need and which size of hoses you need. Then we can confirm which number it is. Then we can quote you our best price.
Yes, feel free to contact us.
And the next one is 26711D, same as this sample. This is also JIC female. And this one sold most well for the JIC female host fittings. We can make all these sizes. For the hydraulic fitting sizes, such as 26711D, 4 and 4. These kind of fittings are sold most well, such as 4 and 4, 6 and 6, 8 and 8. These kind of numbers type are sold most well in the hydraulic fittings. And the next one, it is double hexagon. And after the straight type, we can make the elbow type, such as 45° and let me show you 90°. You can contact us. You also can tell us for which one you need. Even it didn't show in our catalog, it is also no problem. We will check if we can make it. And most situation we can make it. It is no problem. For this kind of fittings, the MOQ is about 200 pieces per size, and maybe some customers count by 200 one time. You also can tell us how many quantity do you need. Then we will check our stock. Maybe we will have it in stock, or maybe there are other customers need it. You can make together. It is also no problem.
Yes, just feel free to contact us. So we can send you our catalog, so you can check it.
And for the hydraulic fittings, we can make both stainless steel material and carbon steel galvanized material.
Yes, and also we have the furrows.
Yes.
Yeah, this one we can check. This one is the furrows, and this one is 03310. This one is both used for 1SN or 2SN. Yeah, both is okay. And this one is for the 1 and 1/4 horses. Yes, this furrow. And we also have smaller size. If you are looking for a furrow for your horses, you can tell us which horse you are using now. Yeah, so we can recommend you the best one for you.
Hello, welcome to our live room.
Yeah, welcome to our live stream.
And if there are any item you are looking for, you can leave message to us. We will introduce immediately.
Yeah, we will send you our catalog so you can learn more about our product.
Now we are introducing the hydraulic furrows.
Yeah, so if you are also interested in the furrows, feel free to contact us.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is the 03310 0. It used for 1SN and 2SN.
Yes, for this kind of hoses, we can make all of the sizes.
Yeah.
Usually it is from a quarter to 2 inch. It is no problem.
Yeah. And also
Besides, we can also provide the customer other types of the hydraulic ferrules. As you can see, the 0100110. It is for one layer steel wire hoses, such as R1, 1SN, 1SC. But 1SC are most choose the 03310. And next one, it is for 2 layers hydraulic hoses. It is 00210. For this kind of hydraulic ferrule, it is for some R2 to SN to SC, 2 layers hydraulic hoses. We can make all of the size you need. You can tell us both the number and all the which size you need, then we will produce it accordingly. And next one is we just introduced for 1 and 2 layers hydraulic ferrules. And the next one, we can make 4 layers. As you can see, 00400 and this kind 401. Both of the two sides are for 4 layers hydraulic hoses, such as 4SP, 4SH, and R15. You can choose the hydraulic ferrules according to if it needs to extrude the outer rubber. For extrude, for skewing the outer rubber. Of course, we can also provide the skewing machine for our customers. And next one I want to show you is for 6 layers hydraulic ferrules. You can see the 00621. This sold most well in some customers for 6 layered hydraulic hoses, such as R15. And as you can see, we can also provide the ferrules for R14. All of them are no problem for our customers we can make. So for the hydraulic ferrules, we can provide all of them, such as for 1 layers hydraulic hoses R1, 1SM, 1SC, 2 layers hydraulic hoses R2, 2SN, 2SC, and for 4 layers, 6 layers, and some special situation such as R14 and so on. So if you need any of them, welcome to contact us. We will send you our best quotation.
Yeah, feel free to contact us if you are looking for the ferrule.
Yes.
Yeah, and also we have this one. This is the flange. Yeah, this one is the flange, and this one in my hand we can see it very clearly. It's a 90-degree, 90-degree flange, and also according to the working pressure, we have 3 types of this flange. One is 3,000 psi, and 6,000 psi, 9,000 psi. And we also accept OEM if some customer they request the flange with a longer tube. Yeah, we can customize it for the customer. And also some customer request to have to more thick. We can also customize it for our customers. So if you are interested in this flange and you want to customize this product, feel free to contact us.
Yes, for this hydraulic flange, as we just introduced 3000 psi, it is this one. As you can see from our catalog, it is this one. We also can make it in 45 elbow appearance and 80, like this. All of the sizes we can provide for our customers. And the next one is 6,000 psi. Of course, it can make a different appearance. And we can also make the flange clamps, FL and FS accordingly. Yes. For the hydraulic flange, we can also make two different materials, such as stainless steel and carbon steel galvanized. Both of them are no problem.
Yeah, and yeah, we just introduced the fittings and ferrules.
The fittings and the ferrules are consistent. The fittings and the ferrules together with the hydraulic hoses, then there will be the hydraulic assemblies.
Yes.
We use the fittings. This is for this kind of one-piece hydraulic fittings. We will put it together with the hydraulic hoses. Then we will put it into the hydraulic hose crimping machines. Then it will be this kind of hydraulic hose assemblies. As you can see, the hose assembly is smooth after crimping. Only good material can make a good appearance. And for the two pieces hydraulic fittings and ferrules, we use like this kind. Yes, we put the ferrules outside firstly, and we put the hydraulic fittings inside. You can see there is a groove. We put it like this way. Then put it into the hose crimping machine. It will be this kind of hose assemblies. It will be this kind. We also can provide the hydraulic hose assembly. You can tell us which hoses do you need and which fittings. You also can tell us which thread and its size. Then we can make the hose assembly for you. We also can provide the hydraulic hose crimping machines, and we also use the machine we produced to produce the hydraulic hose assemblies. Besides the hydraulic hose crimping machine, we can also provide our customers for the screwing machine and the cutting machine. It is also what we used. Let me show you by our catalog. You can see this one. It is the most sold well type hydraulic crimping machine. And this is a cutting machine. This cutting machine have two functions. It can both cutting here, and it can also skewing here. This machine are also sold well in our customers, and the color of this machine is also no problem to customize. And if you want cutting and screwing separately, we also can provide this kind of machine. This cutting machine are also sold well. It's only for cutting, and the dimension of this machine are small. It can put on in a car or a truck and to repair some hydraulic equipment outdoor. And this is a skewing machine, only for skewing. Okay, this is our machine. We can provide all the hydraulic hoses and the fittings and the hydraulic hose crimping machine and the cutting and skewing machines. So if there are any item you are interested in, you can contact us. You can contact us freely for this hydraulic for this catalog. But then you can check which item you are looking for and send us your inquiry directly.
Yeah, we will also use our best price. So we just introduce the hydraulic hoses, the fittings, and also the machines.
Yes.
Next, we will show you our industry hoses. Yeah. For our industry hoses, we have different sizes from 1/4 to 2 inch. This is the small size from 1/4 to 1 inch such as 1/4, 3/4, 5/16, 5/8, 1 inch. These are small size. We produce the hoses with smooth surface and also wrapped surface. Yeah, this one is a wrapped surface. This one is a smooth surface. And the working pressure both is 20 bar. For the smaller size, we have the air house, water house, oil house, and the twin-body house, gas line house, and the oxygen house. These are the smaller size. We usually produce 100 meters in one package, and usually the working pressure is 20 bar. So this is the smaller size industry houses. Let us show you one by one. This one in my hand is a two-wedding house. Yeah, we can check this house. It's two houses. One is blue color, the other is the red color. This two-wedding house. For this house, the popular size is 1/4 inch. We sell this house with the brass fittings to American market. It's very popular in American market. We sell yearly 50 feet, 75 feet, and 100 feet in one package with the brass fitting to American market. And the colors could be produced according to customers' market. Normally it's blue, red, or green, red. And the popular size is 1/4 inch. So if you are looking for this one, you can contact us. We can make different colors for you. And the two-wedding house, we provide this house with the fittings. So this is a two-wedding house.
Yes, for the twin welding house, we can make the size from 4.8 millimeter to 8.5 millimeter. We also can make this hose not same. As you can see, these two holes are in same sizes. We also can make it not same, one bigger, one smaller. And for this kind of hose, we can make the printing in white, and also we can make the printing in black. So you can tell us which color you want, then we will make it accordingly. And usually we print the words on the blue color and the green color. It is also no problem to print it on the red color. You can tell us which kind you need, then we will make it accordingly. And we can also make printing on both holes. It is also no problem.
Yeah. So this is the two-wedding house.
Yes.
This one, this black color one is the air house, the rubber air house. Yeah, we can check this. In this house, this white walls is the rubber air water house, and the size is 10 millimeter. This one is 10 millimeter, and in inch is 3/8 inch, and the working pressure is 20 bar. It is 300 psi. So the bursting pressure for the air water rubber house is 60 bar. The bursting pressure is 3 times of working pressure. So if the house is used with if the house is used under the higher pressure, the house needs to be working with the higher pressure.
It is need to within the working pressure. If in some high pressure, it is need to choose some hoses working pressure more high. more high for such as the R6 and R3. The working pressure is higher for the more higher pressure situation. We can't only choose it according to the bursting pressure. We need to based on the working pressure. For the air and water hoses, we can make not only black color, we can also make a red color and any color you like.
Yeah, for the smaller, for the smooth air rubber hose, water hose, or oil hose, we can produce the hoses with different colors. The outer cover could be different colors, such as red color, blue color, black color, or yellow color. This one is the black color, 20 bar working pressure. So this is the air hose. Also, for the smaller size of the industry rubber hose, the rubber air hose, rubber oil hose, rubber water hose. It can be smooth surface and also wrapped surface. Yeah, and also wrapped surface. Both one is okay. And 20 bar working pressure, bursting pressure is 60 bar, and one package can be 100 meters or 50 meters for the length. So if you are interested in this course, feel free to contact us. So for the small size industry hoses, it includes the air hose, the rubber water hose,
Yes.
rubber oil hose,
Yes.
and the turbine hose, and the gas line hose, and the oxygen hoses.
Yes, all of the usage and no problem. We can produce we can produce for all the usage, and for this kind of hoses, we can make a different color, and we also can make a multi-purpose hose such as air, water, and oil. We can make this kind of multi-purpose hose. So if you need any industrial hoses, small sizes, you can contact us freely. Then we will provide you our best production, provide you our best quotation and the production. And next, we will introduce you our big size industrial hoses.
Yeah, for the big size industry hoses, we could supply the oil suction, discharge hose, air suction and the discharge hose, and the water suction and discharge hoses. And for the big hose, it's from 1.25 inch to 8 inch. Yeah, we produce the hose with different sizes, and when we produce the big size industry hoses, we will use the hard steel hose module. And usually the length is 60 meters or 40 meters or 20 meters.
Similar with the hydraulic hoses. This kind of big size industrial hoses are also in hard metal, and the lengths are also 40 meters per row and 6 meters per row.
Yeah, and also for the big size like 8 inch,
Yes.
Industry rubber hose usually will make a 10 meters one piece.
Yes, 10 meters. It is suitable for the container. The length is 10 meters. Then, as it is too big to roll it, so we only can loading it in straight and 10 meter. And usually for this kind of hoses, we can also, as the dimension is big, so we can also put some smaller sizes hydraulic hoses also in 10 meter and put it inside the hoses to save some dimension, save some cube meter.
Yeah, so that can save the space.
Yes. And for the big size industrial hoses, we usually can make the water section and the delivery hoses. As you can see, this catalog, it is water delivery hoses. We can make it from 3/4 to 12-inch. So for this kind of small size, under 1 inch, we can make it a smooth surface, and the length of this kind of hoses are usually 100 meter or 50 meters per row, and for the sizes from 1 inch to 6 or 8 inches, the length is usually 40 meter or 60 meter because it is use the hard mantle for it. And for some big sizes, the length is usually 10 meters because it is need suitable for the container, for the 20 feet container and 40 feet container. And next one is water suction hose. As you can see from this photo, there is a steel wire structure in this hose. The steel wire can bear some negative pressure, so it can suction suction some waters and oils. And next one, this is 150 psi suction hoses. We also can make a more high pressure 300 psi delivery hoses and 300 psi suction discharge hoses. For the suction hoses, it must can bear the negative pressure, then it can suction.
Yes.
For the small sizes, as we just show you, this kind of industrial hoses, let me show you the sizes. It is usually from 3/16 to 1¼ inch. For this kind of hoses, more customers choose it in smooth surface and some in color surface such as red and blue. And for the big sizes, let me show you. There are field delivery and suction hoses, 10 bar and 20 bar. 20 bar. And if some customers need a more higher pressure, such as 400 psi, it is also no problem. And for the industrial hoses, According to different usage, we also can provide different hoses, such as this one, finance door. This hoses is used in some high pressure situation. It is delivering some cooling water to cooling the furnace door. The situation is in high temperature, but the inner side is cooling water. The reinforcement of this hose is glass fiber. For the glass fiber, it is high temperature resistant. So it is this using furnace door. And this one is another high pressure hoses. It is in some high pressure situation. It is water blast hoses. It is used for some situation, for some washing some wash some equipment or some outdoor structures. And next one I want to show you is for another usage, fuel dispenser. These hoses are also sold well. The reinforcement is steel braided, and it is deliver some fuel and oil. It is used together with the fuel dispenser gun. So if some customers require the gun or the fittings for these fuel dispenser hoses, we can also provide it to make it more convenient for your purchasing. And the next one is chemical hoses. For the chemical hoses, there is UHM WPE inner tube. It is chemical resistance. And for this kind of chemical hoses, we can make also both discharge and suction, and also a different pressure such as 10 bar, 20 bar, and so on, and 250 psi. This pressure is also no problem. And next one is food discharge and suction. Similar as the chemical hoses, it can also make a delivery and a suction, and we can make it in 10 bar, 20 bar, and 250 psi. For this kind of hoses, we usually make it in blue color or green color, and also customized color, also no problem. For the using, we also can make a sandblast. As we know, for the sandblast hoses, the abrasion parameter is very important. For the sandblast hoses, we can provide the abrasion parameter for 40. For most supplier manufacturer for these hoses are 70 abrasion. We can provide 60. 60, the average is 60. And we can also provide the bulk material hoses and also concrete. We can provide the hoses for concrete and cement and so on for the construction. And some bigger sizes, industrial hoses such as mining slurry, it is also no problem. And another important steam hoses. For the steam hoses, it is usually in red color. We can provide 170 degree and 230 degree EPDM steam hoses. The material of these hoses, as I just said, it is EPDM. It is high temperature resistant. And the reinforcement is high steel braiding. Welcome to our live room.
Yeah, welcome to our live stream.
And if there are any item you are looking for, you can leave message directly and we will introduce it immediately.
Yeah, we are introducing the industry hoses.
Now we are introducing the EPDM steam hoses.
Yeah, it's red color and we have two different temperature.
Yes, and for the steam hoses, there are pin. There are pin outside to provide the hoses from some high temperature and the extent. For these hoses, we can also provide smooth surface and a rapid surface. And next, it is some high pressure hoses and ultra high hoses. You can tell us which pressure you need, then we will provide it accordingly.
Yeah, so we introduced the industry hoses in our catalog. So next one, we also have the PVC hoses.
Yes.
Yeah, for the PVC hoses, it's including PVC garden hose, PVC braided hose, PVC transparent hose, and PVC transparent clear hose, PVC transparent braided hose, also PVC leaf light hose, PVC steel wheel hose, and PVC hybrid wheel hose. So this is our PVC hose product range.
Yes.
And we will choose one and show you. Firstly, we will show you the PVC garden hose. Yeah, we can check this one. It's the black inner tube with the yellow color and green color cover. This is the PVC garden hose. The popular size of this hose is 1.5, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. And for this garden hose, we sell the 1.5 inch and 5/8 inch with a very large quantity. And some customers, they also order the 3/4 and 1 inch. Yeah, the working pressure is not very high. So normally this house is used for home and constructions.
Yes. Some of our customers may buy this garden hose from some supermarket and hardware shop. Hello, welcome to our live room.
Yeah, welcome to our live stream. We are introducing the PVC garden house.
If you are interested in any items, you can leave message directly and we will introduce it immediately. Now we are introducing the PVC garden hose. As we just said, for these PVC garden hose, our customers may buy it from some hardware shop and the supermarket. So we can make the package suitable for this kind of shop. It needs a beautiful card and may some customers need the garden hose fitting both sides. It is no problem to provide it accordingly.
Yes, usually we sell these products for 100 meters or 50 meters to our customer. If for the country like UK, Europe country, or USA, Philippines, Australia, and the PVC garden house is very popular in this market.
Yes, for the PVC garden hose, we can make the black inner tube and the white inner tube. Both of them are no problem.
Yeah, we can check it clearly.
Yes. Usually, the length of this kind of hose are 25 feet or 50 feet. And packaged beautiful together with some plastic gum. It is no problem to provide it.
Yes, feel free to contact us.
And another popular appearance is in our catalog, this one. These are also sold well in these countries. So if you also need any of them, please feel free to contact us and we will provide you our best quotation. And if you need this catalog, you can also leave message to us for this catalog. And next one we want to introduce is the PVC transparent hose.
Yeah, so we will show you this one. This is the PVC clear transparent hose. We can check this one. This hose is a single one. We can see it very clearly. It's transparent. We can see from surface to the inner. Yeah, and this hose is without braided reinforced. Some customers, they use this hose for construction to see whether it's in the same level, same height.
Yes, they usually call it for horizontal hose. To see if the 2 points in one level. For this kind of transparent hose, we can make it in transparent green and transparent blue. Also, it can also with some color. For this kind of hoses, the most size is 3/8 and half and a quarter and 3/4. This kind of small sizes. This hose is used to deliver some water. And as you can see, this hose is transparent, clear hose. But if you want, if anyone wants to deliver some water or some food, it must require the food grade such as FDA, Rose, and REACH. It must with this kind of certificate, then it can deliver some water and deliver some food. For this kind of normal PVC clear hoses, it can't used for some food grade, for some food. If need food use, it must require food grade.
Yeah, so this one is the PVC transparent hose.
And the next one we want to show you is PVC fiber hose. Compared with the clear hose, the fiber hose is this kind. There is one layer reinforcement inside. For this hose, it is also the usage is also deliver some water and some water medium. For food using, it also need to require food degree such as FDA, REACH, and Rose. For this kind of hoses, we also can make different sizes and different thickness according to our customer's requirement. Let me show you. Yeah, as you can see, this is the fiber hose, PVC fiber reinforcement hose. You can require different thickness. And for the appearance, it can also make a customize. You can see this one. It is with red and blue line. And our sample is without it. So you can tell us which kind of appearance you need, and we will provide it accordingly. And next one we want to show you is PVC section hose. It is also with a steel wire. Like this. There is as you can see from this photo, there is a steel wire structure in it to bear some negative pressure. So it is PVC suction hose. For this PVC suction hose, there are different sizes we can provide. As you can see, from 1/4 to 3 inch and to 8 inches. All of them are no problem, and there are different thickness we can provide. You can choose it according to your situation or which kind of hoses you buy before. then we can provide the same sizes and the same thickness accordingly. And for another PVC section hoses, it is this kind. We can make these holes in smooth surface and corrugated surface. There is a PVC structure inside to bear some negative pressure. These holes are also called PVC rigid helix holes. For this kind of hoses, we also can make a different thickness to meet our customers' requirement. And besides, we can provide PVC leaflet hose.
Yeah, this one in my hand is the PVC leaflet hose. We supply the leaflet hose with 3 working pressure, 5 bar, 6 bar, and 8 bar, and the size are from 3/4, 1 inch, 1 and 1/2 inch,
Yes.
1 and 1/4 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, and 8 inch. It can make different size, and with this different working pressure, customers for the firm, customers could use the PE leaflet hose.
For this kind of PVC hoses, it is usually used together with the hose couplings such as camlock. So this is our products we want to introduce today.
Yeah.
We just introduced the hydraulic hoses, industrial hoses, and the PVC hoses.
Yeah, and also we introduced the fittings, adapters, and furrows.
If there are any items you are interested in,
yeah, feel free to contact us. We will send you our catalog and also arrange you samples.
Yes, you can contact us by our website, our email, and our number.
Yeah.
So this is our introduction today.
Yeah, see you next time.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.